Good morning, Munchie Mafia. So now we're going to be doing our unboxing of our Crockpot. Ta-da! Ooh, it's gonna be a beautiful soup. So this literally has been going all night long at low and slow. Please keep in mind there's no scum on the pan. It's got a little bit of fat in it, but you know, that can be worked around. And look at the color of that. But it's not done. I'm gonna give it a little longer. Sorry I'm being so quiet and actually using my cell phone to record this. Timmy's still in bed. So yeah, don't forget, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you get to come and watch how this all gets put together. See you later, Munchie Mafia. Love you long time.